the magazine in, set the gun, and we're ready to fire. Now this gun will fire over 25 meters. It will propel the BB over 25 meters guaranteed. It's a good gun. A very strong spring on it. It's a great gun. You can see that the BBs are out. This is really a neat bit of feature. This virtual stay. Yeah, right out. There's no stay on the spring as far as I can see, so you just put your thumb in, pull it down. Once it's open, you just feed the BBs into the top and then release the spring, and there they are, ready to go. Let's do some target practice. Oh. Take a look on the website. It's a very good price while stocks last.